In this tutorial, you'll learn how to customize your Webchat widget design in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Head over to your left sidebar and click Settings, then Website Toolkit, then Webchat to open up your Webchat configuration page. Now click the Chat Window tab at the top of the page. In the Webchat icons section, choose a default chat icon or upload your own custom icon. Next, under Webchat Alignment, select the widget position using the left or right arrow. Click the background color selector to choose a background color for your chat icon, or paste a hex code to match your brand. Now, choose your icon color, pick something that stands out clearly against the background. Take a moment to check the Webchat icon preview panel on the right side of the page. Scroll down to use the Show Webchat Bubble toggle to decide whether visitors see a welcome bubble before they even open the chat. Use the Open with Sound toggle to turn a notification sound on or off when the Webchat widget opens, great for grabbing attention. Toggle Show Animation on if you want the Webchat bubble to have an eye-catching animated effect. Enable the bubble image option if you'd like to display an avatar or profile image right alongside your welcome message. Click the Upload icon in the bubble image field to add your image. In the bubble bottom margin field, enter a pixel value to control the spacing below the chat. Enter a friendly welcome message in the bubble message field, like, "Have a question? We're here to help." If you want visitors to choose a department before starting a conversation, go ahead and enable the enabled departments. Otherwise, just leave it off. Enter the labels you want visitors to see, such as name, phone number, and message. Toggle Enable Email. Input on if you want to collect email addresses from your visitors. Turn on Enable Custom Fields if you'd like to gather additional information using any custom fields. Toggle on Disabled Powered By if you want to remove the Powered by SalesCaptain. Enable Recapture to add a layer of spam protection to Webchat. Enter a welcoming title like, "Hey there," then add a short header message to greet visitors. Customize the chat widget colors by selecting the header color, header text color, and button text color to match your branding and ensure good readability. Once everything looks great, click Save Changes at the top of the page to lock in all of your customizations. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.